Hey guys, if you're like me, your BMW has a lifter tick sound that you can't seem to figure out how to fix. Now, I've seen a bunch of videos on YouTube that tell you to change the oil or give your vehicle some kind of treatment, but I don't think those things are necessary. I pulled straight from the BMW service manual for the 2006 E90, which is the N52 engine. Basically, it says an intermittent lifter noise, an occasional ticking or rattling noise from the hydraulic valve. Elements may occur during cold engine starts or frequent short-distance driving. This condition cannot cause any damage to the engine and usually remedies itself with a longer driving distance or operating times at full operating temperature. In this situation, the lifters can bleed down or have air trapped, causing ticking, rattling noise, and may require bleeding, as described below. The bleed time may take anywhere from 2 minutes to a maximum of 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get under the hood and I will tell you what I'm talking about. So a lot of the time, you guys, so my engine sounds pretty normal right now, but the ticking noise is going to come from like the front part of the engine, and basically it's going to sound normal, but you'll just hear a ticking noise, and it's constant, and it's pretty annoying and frustrating. I performed the procedure that BMW recommends, and that seemed to fix the issue. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. Go ahead and hop back in the car. Now, what BMW recommends you do is to bring the engine up to anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs, and you want to go ahead and maintain that for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you've done that, basically it's heating up all of the oil inside of the engine and getting it circulated through the vehicle. And once you've done that for about once you guys have done that for about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to go ahead and let off of the gas and let it idle like normal, and wait about 10 to 15 seconds. And if you continue to hear the ticking noise, then you're just going to repeat the process for a maximum of 5 times. If the problem still occurs, then you're going to want to do it one last time, but this time do it for 15 minutes, maintaining the RPMs, and that should hopefully fix your lifter tick noise that you've been hearing for however long.